Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can see Wi-Fi password on Android. Now right here is my Android phone. Now go to your settings. You can just tap on the settings icon right here. Now right here on your settings, you can see network and internet. And then when you scroll down, you can see hotspot and tethering. And then you can see right here Wi-Fi hotspot. Just tap on that. And then just tap on hotspot password. And here you can see the hotspot password or the Wi-Fi hotspot password. You can just change it or you just want to remain it like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!